Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Realme device to NUBIA Focus Pro 5G. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on both options at the top to set them up, and then hit Confirm at the bottom. Following that, select Continue. Tap on Allow in first two pop-ups and then hit wherever you want to in all the other ones. Now it's time to select Send at the bottom left corner of Realme and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of NUBIA. Also on Realme, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a few, just for example. Now hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by inputting this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive. To scan the QR code though, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Wherever you decided, just wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!